Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts in Capcut PC. So what you need to do is open your browser and type the font, then click on this link. Then you can download whatever font in here. So for now, I want to download this font, and you have to go on the right hand side and click on download. Then as you can see, it's downloaded. Then when we open it, this window is open. This is our font. Then just open it. After this, press install on the top left corner, and now it's installing. So once this end up, open Capcut PC, and just you need to do is tap on the text button here, then hit this plus button, then text will be added on your timeline. So for example, if I type hello, then go to the font option, then we must have to be on system font. Then let's find our new font. So here it is. This is our new font, and we can change our font by just clicking on it. So this is how you can add a custom font on Capcut PC. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.